All right, this is going to be a lesson on 3 Led Zeppelin classics. We're going to have Communication Breakdown, Misty Mountain Hop, and also a bit of the Ocean. So we're going to start out with a Communication Breakdown. It starts out like this. Okay, so we have one measure of open E notes, big E string, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. We actually hit the first little beat of the next measure also, and then we come in with the power chords. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. D, A, D. So 2, 3, 4. Palm muting that E as well. That's when you get your palm in here, kind of over the top end of the bridge there. So you can really control how much, how wide open that is, and how restrained and muted it is, right? So 2, 3, 4. After we've done that for a while through a verse and everything, we're going to get into the change here. So that's the basic gist of our rhythm. So what's happening up here is we have an A power chord, 5 on the E string, 7 on the A string. We're going doing that honky tonk thing, go to that 9th fret with the pinky on the 5th string. And this is a little tricky to reach both of those. So you're stretching over here, but then you also got to get this in here for this A7 chord, 5, 7, 5, 6, 5, 5. So we got. So at that point, you got to be all about like that chord. And then you got to kind of relieve that middle finger out of there to hit that 6th chord, that honky tonk thing again. So. Keep that middle finger in there just long enough for the like down and up strokes on that chord. And then we're going to jump to the 7th fret and do the B7 chord. And then you're back to the... Let's play along with that first part one time. 2, 3, 4. And let's get ready for this A7 chord. 2, 3, and. Move it up. Back to opens. Okay, so that's basically Communication Breakdown. Now we're going to look at Misty Mountain Hop. We got. That's our first riff. So we're starting on the A string open. Little bend on this G note on the 3rd fret of the E string. Big open E to its octave. That's its octave note there, the E note on the D string, 2nd fret. We're actually going to go big open to that octave of it and back. So we got A, G, E, higher E to lower E. Let's try that. So it's like on the and of the 4. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay, one more time. 2, 3, 4, and. Chord sequence, I've got 2 options for you. So that's the A chord, and then the D chord with the A bass, 0, 4, 2, 3, and then this is like an A flat with an A bass. Real kind of quick passing and sounds pretty good. Now you have the option of playing that bass note with all these or not. You could avoid the bass note, and I've also got another option where we can start in this A up here, 7-6-5 on the DGB. This one kind of sounds a little more authentic. It's got 2 dominant 7 chords in here, so it sounds a bit more right to me. I just found this new tab. I always played it the other way for years and years. So we got 7s. You get 7-6-5 to 7s, 4-5-4, 5-6-5 to 7s. Okay, so it kind of gives you an A7 instead of an A, which kind of spices things up a bit. So. And then our changes would be D to G, D, do that again, okay, so that's basically it for Misty Mountain Hop for the basic rhythms and stuff. Okay, then we're gonna get into the Ocean. So we have this one. This one's kind of tricky. It's progressive. It has like a time signature changes all over it. So but once you have the riff in your head and you listen to the drums and catch those fills right, it's not that hard. Okay, so we're gonna hammer into the 7th fret from the 5 on the D string twice. 2 quick ones there. 5, 7, 8. So we go from the D string to the 5th string, the A string, to the E string up here. So 5, 7, 8, like a C major triad kind of there. So, and then we have, that's 5 and 7 on the A to 5 on the D, and then 5, 7 on the A to 7 on the D. So we got, then we're gonna have 4 on the A, 7 on the D, and then 5 and 7 on the A. So, kind of slide that one down. Right back into it. So we got 5, 7, 5, 5, 7, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7. We start again. So 2, 3, and. And then we get into the verse. We're going to have down, up, 4 strums on the D, D major, and C major. Then we have an A power chord, a little bend on that G note, 3rd fret of the E string, back to the A, and then slide the C power chord into the D, and you can kind of go into a D major. 3 and 4 and D, C, 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 A, D, A, C, D, D. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, it kind of has a little pickup sometimes with that 4, 7, 5, 7, and back to the riff. Okay, so that was a bit of the Ocean, Misty Mountain Hop, and Communication Breakdown by Led Zeppelin. Fairly easy rhythm stuff compared to some of the other Led Zeppelin rhythms. So, hope you all enjoyed that. Got a page, a tab with this. We'll talk to y'all very soon.